Fenchurch Street station is the oldest terminus within the City of London. In 1854, the London Tilbury and Southend railway opened from a junction with the Eastern Counties Railway at Forest Gate to Tilbury via Barking. Tilbury was expected to be a major source of business, as Gravesend on the opposite bank of the Thames was a huge tourist attraction for wealthy Victorians, with 1 million passengers travelling by Thames steamers in 1850 to enjoy the nearby gardens. The line then continued to Southend, as the London Tilbury and Southend Railway promoters had hopes of developing the areas around Purfleet for middle-class residential purposes, and Southend as a resort. Such mid-19th century ideas reflected the wide social spectrum of the time and highlighted that the railways not only changed the areas they served, but created entire new communities.